Cross-country racing is the ultimate test of man and machine. It demands the flickability of a motocross bike, the endurance of an enduro machine, and the raw speed to pull a hole shot at the end of a 3-hour battle. For 2027, KTM has reaffirmed their commitment to this arena. They haven't just updated the lineup, they've sharpened the identity of their race-winning platform. Today, we're looking at the 2027 KTM XC and XC-F range, specifically focusing on the heavy hitters, the 300 XC, the 350 XC-F, and the 125 XC. Let's see what makes these bikes the ones to beat. Visually, the 2027 range is striking. KTM has refined the aesthetics to push that factory racing identity further. You'll immediately notice the bold red highlights on the tank shrouds, a fresh accent that makes these bikes stand out from the previous generation. But this isn't just about looking good in the pits. KTM uses their proven in-mold graphics technology. It's designed to withstand the abuse of deepwoods racing, where branches and roost are constantly trying to peel your bike apart. It stays clean, it stays sharp, and it screams performance. Let's talk about the heart of the two-stroke range. The 300 XC remains the gold standard for many, offering that massive torque curve that makes technical terrain feel like a breeze. Whether you're lugging it in a gear high or winding it out in the open, it's a powerhouse. Then there's the 125 XC. For the rider who values pure agility and rider movement, this is the ultimate weapon. It's light, it's snappy, and it teaches you how to maintain momentum like no other machine. Both bikes utilize KTM's advanced fuel injection systems, which means you can stop worrying about jetting changes. Whether you're at sea level or hitting high-altitude trail sections, the engine mapping adjusts to ensure that crisp, instant power delivery remains consistent. It's the two-stroke simplicity you love, with the modern reliability you need. Moving to the four-strokes, the 350 XC-F is the standout. It's often called the most versatile race bike ever built, and it's easy to see why. It carries the weight and agility of a 250, but with the power reserves that push into 450 territory. For 2027, KTM has simplified the map select switch. You've got two distinct maps. Map 1 for that smooth, linear power delivery that helps you find traction when the trail gets slick, and Map 2 for when you need that aggressive, explosive power to clear a jump or make a pass. And if you're a data-driven rider, the XC-F range remains compatible with the connectivity unit off-road. Pair it with the KT MConnect app, and you can tune your engine characteristics right from your phone. It's about tailoring the machine to the terrain, not the other way around. Across the whole range, the engineering is focused on mass centralization. The chromoly steel chassis provides that signature rider feel that KTM is famous for: balanced, predictable, and incredibly stable at high speeds. But my favorite feature, the tool-free adjustability. You can adjust your WP XACT suspension compression and rebound on the fly. No more pulling out a toolbox in the middle of a race because the track is getting rougher. The rear shock features a hand-adjustable dual compression dial, and the front forks are just as accessible. It's a bike built by racers, for racers, who know that every second counts. The 2027 KTM XC range isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about perfecting a platform that already dominates podiums worldwide. It's the ultimate race-ready package straight from the showroom floor. Whether you're grinding through the GNCC or tearing up your local trails, these machines are built to perform. Which one are you taking to the starting line? The raw torque of the 300 XC or the precision of the 350 XC-F? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and subscribe for more moto content. See you on the trail.